October 7th at 11 o'clock a.m. This is St. Augustine, well, 10 miles north of St. Augustine, Florida. Hurricane Matthew is off the coast of, it's in between like Cape Canaveral and Daytona Beach. We are 55 miles north of Daytona Beach here. Winds are really starting to pick up. Rain bands coming through. This is what's going on. And this thing is not even off our coast yet. We just had a cold front move out, and it dropped a lot of rain and wind as well. It moved out yesterday. So maybe that'll it saturated the grass, so hopefully it'll help with the flooding, but our power's been going in and out. I've been praying to hopefully it stays on. So I just wanted to make a short video. It's 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October the 7th. Hurricane Matthew off the coast of, in between Daytona and Cape Canaveral. And here we are 55 miles north of Daytona Beach. Like the band's starting to move out. But I'm going to go ahead and post another video here in about another hour. And thank you guys for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe. I will be posting more videos. And go ahead and leave comments down in the comment section. And let us know if you've been in the storm on the coast, on the east side. Thank you, and be safe.